Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook rosemary steak. First, select a good quality steak, ideally 1.5 inches thick. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful crust. Then, season both sides liberally with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a few sprigs of fresh rosemary. This simple preparation sets the stage for incredible flavor. Now let's get that amazing sear. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak in the hot pan. Sear each side for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing a rich, deep brown crust to develop. This creates incredible texture. After searing, it's time to infuse more flavor. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to the pan, along with 2 cloves of crushed garlic and 2 additional sprigs of fresh rosemary. Tilt the pan slightly and, using a spoon, continuously baste the melting butter and aromatics over the steak for about 2 to 3 minutes. This step adds incredible richness and aroma. The final, crucial step is resting your steak. Transfer it to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into 1/2-inch thick pieces. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly cooked rosemary steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.